I'm just waiting for the unit to turn off because they said when it turns off, the noise is actually up in the attic up here. So we're going to sit here and wait for it to turn off. Shouldn't be long because it was 66. I set it on 67. It came on, and now it's reading 67, so it should get, I think, about like 67.5 or so, and it will turn itself off. So let's sit and wait and see what we get. All right, the unit outside just shut down. I just heard the zone board shut it down. The line is cooling off. They said it can go for 2 or 3 days and not make noise. So this is probably day 1, day 2. Or, well, yeah, because it's getting cool. Yep, the lines get cool, so it's not on anymore. I think zone 2 just turned on. Fan is unit is off. There was no noise. It's set normal. The defrost board phone call. Denver, Colorado. Not important, don't know you. I turned the heat on. It was 66 in the room. Turned it on 67. It rose to 67, 67.5, whatever that thermostat is set for it to satisfy itself. Outdoor unit turned off, and I saw the zone board turn the outdoor unit off, and then I felt the copper lines, and I heard the reversing valve, release sounded like, and the small liquid line started getting very cold, indicating that it's not pumping anymore. And then very shortly after, the fan started ramping down, and then everything was off. So it's just going to be stubborn and not make the noise when I'm here. Just waiting for it to satisfy itself again. I'm sitting on 68, one more degrees up. It started out 66, I put it on 67, didn't make noise, so I bumped it up to 68. Now I'm waiting for it to shut off again and see if it does it. If not, not much that can be done. And so let it run, see if it gets worse. We're just gonna sit here and wait for it. I need some new shoes. I got a hole in my shoe. Uh-oh. Got a hole in the shoe. Time to get some new shoes. Pretty much I have to buy a pair at the end of or beginning of just about every year. They last about 1 year. And I've tried to buy some more expensive Nikes and all that. They don't last any longer for me. So why spend all the money when you can buy these and they're just as comfortable? So let's see if it's going to do anything. Yep, she's in heat mode. Well, as you can hear, or as you cannot hear, it's not making any noise. The outside is still running. I'm waiting for the zone board right behind the camera here to tell the outdoor unit to turn off. Then I'm going to wait for the fan in the unit here to turn off and see if there's any noise before everything is shut down again. And this is round 3. I did it once already on camera, then I did it again, and while I was doing it then, I was talking to the customer, so I didn't record it. Now this is number 3. Turn it on by increasing it by 1 degree, let it satisfy itself and shut down. So this is number 3, and see if it does it. If it don't do it, then it's like baseball, 3 up, 3 down, you're out. So time will tell. But it's heating the house, so it's not like there's something wrong and making it not heat. It's heating, it's just making a noise. Filters and all good. So I have no idea what it is, but it does not do it in air conditioning, only in heat, and it don't do it every time. So it's got a little bug in it. Something is just not quite right. Last time I was here, I dropped some of the charge out. They said the thumping part that I had then disappeared. Now it's a different kind of noise. It's not as loud, but it's a different kind of noise. So we'll sit here and wait for it to shut down. Alright, it just told the outside unit to turn off. I don't feel the refrigerant flowing. The line is getting cooler. Now we're just waiting for the fan to turn off. The fan is going down. No noise. What you gonna do? I have ran it 3 times. No noise. Leave in the comment what you think it might be that you might have had this problem and it took some time to figure it out. It only works, it only does it in heat mode, and it does it when it shuts down, but it don't do it every time. I have taken some of the charge out of it. One noise disappeared and something else showed up. It might be the same thing, but they said it sounds different. So, but I cannot get it to reproduce the noise that they say it's doing. So it's time to go home. Perhaps they can call me right when it does it, and I can head out here if I have the time to do it right then, to be able to get to hear it. And they said it does it more when it's colder, so maybe if we have a cold snap, I might have a better chance of getting it to reproduce the noise if I come out when it's colder. But for now, she's heating the house and not making noise. So put in the comment below what you think it might be. Something that you've seen before that makes a noise when it shuts down in heat mode. Well, tried it 3 times. I got it to make no noise. I checked the temperatures, doing a good split. I checked the charge on it. It's right where it's supposed to be. I have no idea. Things like this is going to be one of the things that's just going to reveal itself eventually or disappear, and we'll never know what it was. Which one is it going to be? Time will tell. But whenever it does, if it ever does, see if we can get it on camera. I was hoping to get the noise and all that on camera, but didn't work. So I'm heading back home.